Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making potato salad. This is not just another potato salad, guys. The secret step in this potato salad is pouring French dressing over cooked potatoes while they're still warm to absorb the vinaigrette flavor. This simple potato salad recipe has been my go-to for years. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. And for this recipe, you will need boiled and diced potatoes, French dressing, boiled eggs, diced celery, prepared mustard, diced sweet onions, sweet pickle relish, mayo, black pepper, and salt. First things first, place the warm potatoes in a large bowl. Then we're gonna slice eggs and add it to the potatoes. Now to the potatoes, we are going to add the celery, onions, pickle relish, French dressing, mayo, prepared mustard, and then we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Then we're gonna fold all this together until thoroughly blended. Once everything is well combined, I'm gonna cover with the plastic wrap and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 hours. This is one of those dishes that is even better the next day. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There you have it, French dressing potato salad. Now it's your turn. How about you give this video a like? Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.